Yo guys, this is Sagar from AutoDevote.com. Kia is making its India debut with the Auto Expo 2018. The SP concept made its global debut, which according to the company is specially developed for the Indian market. For those who don't know, Kia is building its factory in Andhra Pradesh and expects to start its retail operations by the second half of 2019. Back to the SP concept then. The car is about the size of Hyundai Creta, and Hyundai is Kia's parent company, which means there will be sharing of platform and other bits. Nonetheless, the concept looks really beautiful. No surprise there, as Kia's designer is Peter Schreier, who worked for several VW Group brands. The concept neatly integrates Kia's signature tiger nose grille, and there are futuristic looking LED lighting all around. Kia wasn't ready to showcase the interiors yet, but there was a sneak peek where we could see a digital instrument cluster with floating infotainment system, rear AC vents, and so on. We'll probably have to wait until next year to get an update on the SP concept. Until then, you guys let me know what you think of the SP concept in the comments down below, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.